Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video guys, I'm going to show you guys how to buy high quality wristwatch from China using Pinduoduo app at a very cheap price using Pinduoduo app. But before I get today's tutorial started, as you guys know me, I'm a procurement agent, importer and importation coach. Okay, if you want to connect with me for China, some other country importation business related issue, you can connect with me on WhatsApp via the number on the screen right here if you have any business related issue for me. Okay, with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can buy high quality wristwatch at a very cheap price from China using Pinduoduo app. So let's get started. Alright guys, so this particular wristwatch right here, I'm going to buy it straight up from China using Pinduoduo app so you guys can see how you go about it. So when you click on the product landing link, it takes you to where you need to access the product. You can scroll down and see more product picture, more graphics about the product so you can see everything about the product. You continue scroll down and see more. Then one more thing you need to consider is that you need to make sure that the product has a review in the past. So you can see this product here has 4.9 star review, and the seller here have sold over 1,000 pieces of this product in the past. Okay, so these are the things you need to consider before you can go ahead and buy from the particular supplier. So lastly, if you are ready to make a purchase, all you have to do is to make sure you just click on the love icon right here. So when you click on this love icon, it takes the product link automatically to your profile. So we now head over to our profile right away. So for you to access your profile and see the product, you have to click on here now. So you click on here. From the home page, you click on here. Then it takes you to your profile. So at this very point here, you have to click on here now to access the product link. Then it open up in this page. Okay, so from the very point here, this is where you select all the products. So I need 3 pieces of this wristwatch. So 3 pieces of different color, different sizes, and etc. So these are just 3 I need from this particular supplier. So once you are able to select the product you need, just click on here now to make payment. So I'm going to tap on that. So having tapped on that, you see the amount I'm paying to buy this particular product. So I have been given a discounted of, so you can see it was 65 RMB, but now I'm paying 59.13 RMB. So I've been given a discount of about 6 RMB for purchasing this product. So once you are ready to make payment, you have to click on here now to pay with your Alipay. So I'm going to click on this place right away and make payment straight up. All right, so it takes you right here. So you can see that we are still given a discount for buying these 3 products. So this is the first product we are buying. This is different color. This is the black. This is blue, black, and the gold and white we are buying. So once you are able to get to this point, the next thing you have to do is to click on here to make payment with your Alipay. So I'm going to click on that right away. So it's as simple as that. So the payment has been done successfully. So for you to be sure that your payment was done successfully, all you have to do is to go back to your profile. By the time I refresh now, so you can see that the product has moved down right here to successful paid. So if I click on here now, you are going to see the product in ready in a confirmation of payment. So this is how you can see the first and second and the third product has been moved right here. So this simply means that any moment from now, the seller will confirm this order and move the product to ready to ship. Then from ready to ship, it moved to product on transit, whereby you track your product. So this is how you buy from Pinduoduo this is how you buy from China using Pinduoduo app at a very cheap price, and getting more discount each time you make a purchase using the app. So this is what I have for you guys as far as buying wristwatch from China using Pinduoduo app is concerned. If you have any business related issue for me as far as China importation or some other country importation is concerned, you can check the description of this video to connect with me on WhatsApp. If you want me to coach you step by step on how you guys can be a procurement agent or how you can buy without using agent, feel free to connect with me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.